Updating your legal name on Salesforce is an important process to ensure your account reflects your current identity. Follow these steps to make the update quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into Salesforce. Access your Salesforce account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your profile. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings or My Profile to access your personal information. Step 3. Edit personal information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your legal name. Locate the fields for your first name, last name, and any other relevant name fields. Enter your new legal name in the appropriate fields, ensuring that all information is accurate and spelled correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your name, scroll down to find the Save button. Click on it to apply the changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your profile has been successfully updated. Make sure to review your profile after saving to confirm that your legal name has been updated correctly. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to your Salesforce administrator for assistance.